Recently, Jungkook BTS wooed ARMY with a video clip featuring his journey to record his upcoming single, 7. In the video, Jungkook can also be seen feeling a little disappointed at the beginning. Jungkook was a little nervous at the beginning of the recording process. But it didn't take long. He was confident in himself and increasingly confident in his abilities. Jungkook said, "I think I gained the confidence to believe that I could do this." Jungkook defined 7 as a song that can receive recognition, and revealed that it is a song that people can listen to easily. At the end of the video, Andrew Watt says some interesting words that will surely get ARMY excited to release a song. Andrew said, "Listening to this song from the person in person, it's pretty dangerous considering what happened. What makes us even more impatient is that we can hear a little leak of the song, 7, at the end of the video after comments from Andrew Watt. Here, Jungkook sings the lyrics that read, 7 days a week." Seeing this, the BTS ARMY also shared support for BTS. "I've never heard the song, but I know it's going to be huge. Get ready for what's to come, ARMY.